Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we will show you how to upgrade or replace the memory in a late 2009 revision iMac. Although we will be performing this upgrade on a 21.5-inch iMac, the procedure is identical for the 27-inch model. We have gathered the tools listed at the beginning of this video and are working on a soft, static-free workspace. We are now ready to begin. After shutting down and unplugging your iMac, gently lay it face down on your soft, static-free work surface. Lift up on the foot of the iMac for easy access to the memory compartment. You will see there are 3 Phillips screws holding the plate in place. Loosen these screws until the cover comes free. The screws are captive, so you don't need to worry about losing them. You may then set the cover aside. Use your fingers to extend the plastic tab next to each pair of memory slots. Gently but firmly pull on these tabs to loosen the installed memory modules. Then, set the modules aside. Position the new memory so that the notch is closer to the right. Then, slide it into the iMac until it snaps into place. Repeat the process with the remaining modules you wish to install. Once you've installed all your memory, fold the plastic tabs in between the modules so that they no longer stick out. Align the memory cover so that the captive retaining screws line up with their holes. Once they are positioned, use them to reattach the cover. You may now set your iMac back upright, plug it back in, and turn it on.